Hi, my name is Roshan. I'm the co founder of Shop Again. And today I'm very excited to share that we are releasing a new email editor. It's much powerful and simpler than what we've had before. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk over some of the very important features uh, of the editor and how you can leverage it in your next email campaign. So, with that in mind, let's just start. I'm creating a new template, giving it a name, and all right, this opens up our new editor that we have over here. Um, uh, Regarding the layout, these are all your content blocks. I'm gonna minimize that, and these are all the different kinds of layout. And if you hover on the outside, you'll basically be able to select the settings for the entire template. These are like global settings. That's like the background of the template. So let's just say we make it black, or we can undo that and go back to the gray background that we had. And here you can select your font and size and all the different types of default settings. uh, okay, now I'm gonna start with the layout because it's the basic building block of any email template. I I've deleted all the content, so this is a scratch made template. Um, Here you can either do a one column, two column, or a three column layout. Mind you that in on the desktop it will appear as two columns, but on uh, mobiles it will be stacked below. Our templates are responsive in nature, and it makes it easier for you and to build a template that renders uh, really well across different types of devices. So I'm going to start with the one column layout that we have over here, and then let's add the logo block. This is something that I really like, that we pull in the logo from your global settings, and then you can just drag it, so you don't really have to go find logo every time. So here I've given it a width 150 pixels. That looks really good. And next up is product block. I'm going to walk over all these other things in a little while. I want to go over products and hero block. These are the two major enhancements coming out in this version. So let's drag the product block here, and all right. So this is the product block. Notice we have a 3 by 1 layout, so three products here and one row. If I want, I can have a 4 by 2 4 column layout, or two column and four products. So let's just select some custom products right now. So here I'm going to manually let's just search for some products. Like I'll just pick these four products. So we have a 2 by 2 layout right now. It looks good. Let's just revert it back to three columns, and I'm gonna remove one of these. So uh, I want to go over some of the settings on this, and then I'm going to come back and select different kinds of product sources. So here, these are the body settings for the background color of this blog, font, and everything. And then, if you want to have a button or not, you can hide the button if you don't want that. Configure the text on the button. You can play around with the color. Just say I want a gray button, so you can do that. Title. So this is the title of the product. This is the default pixel size. I can do, let's say, normal. So change. So these are all the different kind of settings available with this block. If you want image to have a border, you can do that. There are other different types of borders you can do. So and then the price, if you want to show or hide the price, you can do that. Now let's go back to the product types. Now notice in the drop down we have custom, collection, abandoned cart, bestsellers, trending, all these different types of data sources. Let's pick a collection. So some of our customers, they just said that, I have a like a sale going on with a collection in mind. Why do I have to select manually like five different product items? Would be great if you could just let me select a collection and you pick out some items from that. So we built that in this release. So let's just select some men products, and it renders like three automatically selected products from the this men collection. Likewise for abandoned cart, these items will be displayed from abandoned cart that somebody left out. These are your store bestsellers. This is generated automatically from product recommendations. Then, likewise, trending products, cross sell depends on the customer and their previous orders. Um, so you could do that, and there are all the other. So if you wanted to do an order confirmation, you could do ordered products. All these different types of uh, products that you could select for this product blog. Okay, now that we have that, let's me just delete this product block and come to the hero. This is also another feature request that came from one of our customers. They wanted to write text on the image. So we support that now. I'm very happy to let you guys know that. I picked a background image, and this is some heading and some text on a button. So we don't really deliver healthy and delicious products. We make email marketing easy. Yeah. And there's some text over here. You could update the text, and there's a button. You can change the color of the button, or you want to delete that. You can do that. It comes in really handy. Makes it easier to quickly build out an email template. All right. Now that I've covered that, I'm gonna drag in a timer block. Not here. Give me 1 second. Let me delete this and drag a timer block. So a timer block is very similar to what we had before. It's one of the most used features. So I just quickly wanted to cover that. And so we have two different types of timer blocks. One is dynamic. So dynamic blocks are the time is supplied at the time of sending the email. So you could usually comes in handy in automation. So we usually don't know when a user will receive an automation. So in those cases, we recommend using a dynamic block. So maybe a day or 2 days after whenever the email goes out, or a standard if you have a product launch. You know that, okay, I know that this launch event is happening on the 25th, and I can just pick a date and time, and that's that's how it'll work. And there are some styles. So all right, so now that worked. um right, so now that is working. Now let's go over some of the basic features of this editor. So just drag a text block over here. We don't have a headings block like we used to before. Here you can select the text block, and from text type you can select H1, H2, whatever, and you can configure the font and size and color and all that stuff, padding and everything. So this is how you use a text block. You can edit things here. Oops. And let's say if I want to make it clickable, I'll go link it out and just say https shopagain.com and apply. So you could do that. Delete this section. Uh, Another thing I want to show you is how to use the template variables. So we have a lot of variables here, and then if I want to use first name, I could do hi first name. Um, Nice to meet you. So this first name will be automatically replaced by the first name of the receiver. If it doesn't happen, then uh, it will be empty. So if I want to do a default thing, you could do default there, and if there's no first name, it will render as hi there, nice to meet you. So that the text block, the image block itself is like easy to understand. It's just like you drag an image and you select an image from, and there you have it. Buttons are also self-explanatory. Let me drag a navigation bar. So most of our customers use some kind of navigation bar on top of the email. Um, Here you have four by default, four different. If you want, you can add more, or you can delete them. Um, I prefer using three. So I'm gonna click on shop and change to home and say shop again.com, and then it will link out to shop again's homepage. You can configure the rest likewise. So that's the Navbar. I already covered product block. Let's drag a discount block now. Alright. So discount blocks are very similar to what we had before. So you just click a discount block and it will render the discount items. All I have to do is go to configure discount block and select a unique or a fixed discount code. Fixed discount code basically means you have some kind of discount code that you've already created. It's same for everyone. Unique discounts are unique for everyone. You just say thank you, and then the six characters will be automatically created at the time of sending email. So you just select your unique discount code and you hit save. And before sending out the email, we'll create a discount code and send it to the user. I already covered timer, social media block. We drag another, and then social media block over here. So you can say Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and then you can select type of icon type. These are all different kinds of uh, l- variations of the images available. So I prefer using this rounded one, and then you just link out your social media handles. And then divider is something it will draw a line like that. I find it useful to separate the footer. You can change the color of that divider, or you can pick something on your own. The red color divider, and spacer is just add some space in between two sections. You can pick the amount of space you want to do. Let's say 40 pixels. That that mostly covers everything. Um, you can see previews like this. Click on version history. So we have two versions. If you can, this is like a Google Doc style version history. You can click on it and restore to the older versions. Template variables, I've already shown you this. And these are all the different types of variables that you can use in your template. And then sending a test email. So you can select your email address and type some subject and you can just send it to yourself. Well, I think that covers everything. Um, let I'm very excited that this feature is going out today. Um, Hopefully, you'll enjoy using this editor as much as we have enjoyed developing it. And if you have any questions, you can use this live chat widget over here, or you can email us at support@shopagain.io. That is all for now. Thank you.